Epilogue by Wunderhorse is played in standard tuning and is based mainly around an E chord. We're going to start the riff off with an E shape. We'll actually only need the second fret on the A and D strings. We're going to play E twice, then jump up to the D string, and then play A. So we've got, then we're going to hit the low E string 3 times, jump up to the D, and then the A. So E, E, D, A, E, 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 D, A. In the second bar we have the same shape to start with. We play E twice, and then jump up to the D string, and then we've got a little riff where we go E, E open twice, then we'll move that second finger up to the second fret on the low E string, play that, and then play open A, second fret on the E string, and second fret on the D. So, and we'll finish it off in the same shape here. We'll pick A, E, D. The whole bar slowly is E, E, D, then the run on the E, 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 second fret, A, E, D, A, E, D. Then we go back to the first bar, so the whole kind of riff together. One more time. And a bit quicker. There's also a heavier riff in this song which is played pretty much in the same way. We're going to start off with a 3-note pick here, down and down on the E string before jumping up to D, A, the 3-note pick again on the low E string, and then D, A, so the same thing twice basically. Then we'll play E, E, D, and then we've got a little run on the E string that goes E, E. A little bend there on the second fret of the E, so E, E, second fret. We'll bend it and we'll release to open. We'll do it again, and then we hit second fret on the D, so like that. Okay, now whole heavy riff. Time.